Welcome back to Sports Prophecy TV, guys. I'm your host, Jay Taylor. And I can't believe we're back discussing this again. Omari Hutchinson's saga. Now, Chelsea has released the name of their players who has got a call up for the international FIFA break coming up. And when we checked that list today, Omari Hutchinson wasn't a part of the players who were released. So, is Omari Hutchinson a part of the Jamaica Reggae Boys squad? As you know, the Jamaican Reggae Boys fans are still anticipating this squad. There has been no release. There has been no word from the head coach. There has been word from the press officer, however, that he hasn't received the squad. And as you know, Jamaica has had difficulties over the years as far as the flow of information and logistics and traveling with players. Omari Hutchinson is a player that a lot of Jamaican fans, including myself, we had high hopes about this player. We finally thought we got one of those gems from England. But I think after that experience that Omari Hutchinson had in those two friendly games against Trinidad and Tobago, I know the player potentially has been questioning whether this is the right move. As you know, his first game for Jamaica, Jamaica got beat 6-0 in Catalonia. Omari Hutchinson didn't get much time on the ball as we were playing against a superior opponent. A lot of the players were ex Spanish players and playing in the English Premier League. Then Omari Hutchinson came to Jamaica and played in two friendlies against Trinidad and Tobago. The first one, he was one of the best players out there, but the team had bunch of random players, so it wasn't concise or cohesive football. So I could see where his frustration was coming from in that game. The next game, however, was potentially Omari Hutchinson's worst game in football. He didn't have the ball. When he did get the ball, he lost the football. He was under a lot of pressure, and the fans in the stadium starting to boo the player. As you know, Jamaican fans can be very tough. It can be a harsh place to play football. So my question to the fans are, is this one of the reasons why Omari Hutchinson has been questioning whether or not playing for Jamaica is the right choice? As well, I'm also questioning whether or not his agent or his family has talked to the player and maybe told him he should hold back a little bit on just jumping in for Jamaica. And it was stated that the English FA has contacted the player and they assured him that he's a part of their future plan. Has all these things combined? Is this a combination of things why Omari Hutchinson is dragging his feet when it comes on to the call up? The squad is not out as yet. We're still keeping our fingers crossed. But this is a player that a lot of Jamaican fans, including myself, we're hoping to see his name. Let's hope that Chelsea was advised by the JFF not to release the name of the player, as they're not very sure of the squad as yet, or this is very much what's going on, that the player didn't receive an international call up. So let's watch and see, guys. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let's figure this out. Hopefully, Omari Hutchinson just gets that one cap for Jamaica where we can say he's in the bag, because this kid is a part of the future. And if you haven't watched the video to the end, I hope everybody who's seen this video watch the video till this part, because people tend to only see where we have questions, but they don't see when we say that these players are the players we want in our program. These are the players that we want to be a part of the future of Jamaica football. So thank you again, guys, for tuning into Sports Prophecy TV. I'm your host, Jay Taylor. Until next time, I'm out.